This is a video on how to make rujak buah.
날 보는 icy 웃는 lips 맘에 들지 I like it 네 A to Z 꽤 달콤해.
Rujak buah is an authentic food from Indonesia that people usually eat it in hot weather. The ingredients for rujak buah are chilies, sugar, salt, shrimp paste, and for the fruits, there are cucumber, pineapple, and mango. Now for the materials, there are Mortal and Pestle, spoon, plate, and this small plate. So let's get into the step by step for making rujak buah. So first, prepare the fruit. Prepare the fruit and cut it like this. Like this. After that, we put the fruits into the refrigerator and wait it for 5 minutes. Yeah? 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. And now, we are making the sauce for rujak buah. First, you need to fry your shrimp paste for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah? 30 seconds. After we fry the shrimp paste, we put the shrimp paste into this mortal and pestle. Next, we put the chilies. Put the sugar and the salt also. And now we grind all of the ingredients. Make sure it is grind well. And after that, we need to add some water. Do we need water?
Tadi aku suruh Ki ngambil ya. Astaga.
Now we add water and start grind it again.
Baby 나랑 달콤하게 tell me now 떠오르는 뻔한 말이 더 좋다는 걸 알잖니 Favorite part 지금이야 now we're almost there 시작해볼까 right now Tell me what you want
Meri, can you please take the fruit?
Pola.
Can you please bring the fruit here?
Ambil. Agak sedih. Delicious. Tasty.
Bangsat. Enak, Cok. I mean, it's delicious, Cok.
그게 다야 난 꿈을 없이 닿길 원하지 미루지 않아 너에게 다가가 심플하게 말할게 I love you Tell me what you want Tell me what you need 내 끝을 주지 마난 네 말이 더 좋은데
Meri paling inspirasi dah.
That's it for
Mana suruh.
and that's it for how to make rujak buah. And thanks for watching.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Kiss.
Ih,